Hello ladies and gentle dudes. That's not going to become my intro anytime soon. I just kind of felt like saying that. We're on another camping adventure. Got my youthberry granita because I have proclaimed it the official drink of the summer. That and Weezer's White Album is the jam of the summer, just so you know. They've been keeping me alive. This place doesn't have a name, I don't think. But we're at this little hole out on the side of the road next to a lakeity lake. There it is, and there's Danielle. The people before us have so graciously left us some mementos. We've got some nice little cigarette butts. It's a little pupper. And my personal favorite, the honey ham stick. What does it all mean? I'm obviously here with good old Danielle.
Howdy, y'all.
Howdy. That's her new catchphrase. There's Geoff Jeffrey. Yo,
Jeffrey.
He asked me if that hat looked cool on him earlier. I said yes.
He's asking everybody.
What?
Why are you so underconfident about your hat, dude?
Oh, it's different. I like different.
It's different. You're different. Ryan disappeared to go pee, I think. He's back from his pee break. He brought the Ariana Grande or whoever, I don't know who it is.
Whatever's on this Apple Music playlist.
One of the other people in our party in the other car just called and asked where to find us. There's no sign for this pullout. I don't even know if this lake has a name. So our only advice to him was, you'll see us. I don't know if they're gonna see us.
Come on.
Where are you guys? Come join us at this lake without a name. Train! Oh! Oh shit! We're running to see the train like we ain't never seen no train before.
The train.
Hello. Wow. Oh, cool. And there they go, off into the great beyond. You damn tourists. We were waving for help and they didn't notice. We're gonna die out here. We had this thing packed to the brim.
That's all you get.
That's my custom chair.
There you go.
Yes. See, this is why it pays to have a man around, so they can do important stuff like this that I couldn't have done myself. Well, what do you know? More of the squad has arrived. Nick's already violent. Jeffo's peeing over there. You see him? Danielle just walked off down the beaten path. And she was like vlogging as she was going to find some place to pee. Oh my god, there she is. She's alive. She's alive! Danielle! She didn't get eaten by bears. She looks triumphant about her pee.
You know, it's Danny. She went a long fucking way.
Yeah.
Hey sis,
Yo.
got you some of these fucking berries.
Are they poison?
I don't know.
Have you eaten one yet?
No, God, why would I eat
I'm not
one?
gonna eat it if you...
You want some goldfish dough?
Just wants me to die. Are they poisoned?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll do one. Here we go. How'd it go?
It was a success.
It
Good.
Like something that was like cheese or something. Or like a loaf of bread.
Gross.
Did you drop a loaf, Danny, and then bring it back? It looks like you're coming back with like a loaf of bread.
Oh yeah, I'm grocery shopping.
Oh, sweet. Our boy Nicky making it lit. Want to see sparks fly, Nick?
Maybe it'll smell like coffee.
It's all about finding the right rock to skip.
He's teaching me how to skip rocks properly.
Even though I can't skip rocks properly.
Just pretend.
Ready for this,
Yeah,
sis?
let's see it.
Wow.
Wow, one whole one.
I wasn't even skip, it was a ploop.
How many points for a ploop?
I gotta skip. Ploops are worth no points. Skips are worth one. Ploop.
Look, off in the distance, the girls have arrived. There they are. There's Hannah and Kitty Cat. I want to make a good ploop, as Jeffo calls it. He acts like the ploops aren't worth anything, but ploop sounds like poop, and poops are good. So let's ploop, shall we? Here he is. I want you to do your stuff. Here we go. Ploop like you ain't ever plooped before. And that's how it's done. 0 points.
Alright, sis. Skip the monster rock.
Oh shit, well, don't want to miss this.
You don't want to miss that big ploop?
I just made a pretty good ploop. I literally shit in the water.
Oh god.
Alright, let's see it.
Alright, you ready for this?
Yes!
Ploop.
Woo!
Yeah,
the master plooper.
Stand in the place where you are.
Kyle's here now.
Yeah, I'm here. That is correct.
With the frisbee. B is also here. Nice.
When will you save me, Los Angeles?
But he still can't throw a frisbee.
I'm never coming.
They're having a private girl chat without us. That really offends me.
Well, we're not girls, remember?
It's true.
Pretty cool, honestly.
Uh-huh.
Setup going on.
Schmancy fancy. Look at that.
I'm trying to accomplish a nice seafoam rock pebble water combo. And it's great. It's gonna be great.
I trust you.
I know how
trust
to
you.
watercolor. Totally. That's like a cadmium yellow, Indian yellow, raw sienna. Okay. This obviously, yeah, cad red. Okay.
Obviously.
I believe this is alizarin.
Alizarin?
Yeah, alizarin
Are these
crimson.
real words?
Okay, and then you fabulous. I got you, girl.
I get it.
Didn't feel like it. I kind of panicked.
Dragonfly wants in on the action there. My mom's ex-best friend painted her a picture of the mountains. Yeah? Dude, it's out in the garage right now.
Oh, really?
Getting ready to be sold.
Whoa. That's harsh, man.
Yeah, right?
I always wanted to have like a yard.
And phone flies in the water on the ground.
Unlike Jeffo, these guys are actually pretty good at skipping rocks. So let's see how it's really done.
I feel like he has no idea what he's doing.
I'm not gonna do good.
Under pressure.
Nice. My little boy's up here by himself eating Cheetos. So sad.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it. Come on, guys.
They just gotta check up on us because we're so cool. So Brandon and Jeffrey just made this scary ass weapon. It's Lucille, sort of.
Sort of.
Lucille's sister.
Tried.
Yeah, what's her name? What's her name?
What should name it?
Roxanne?
This is Roxanne. Look as threatening as you can. Come at me, bruh.
Here you go. Forget
Brian
guns.
didn't bring a gun on this trip, so they were saying that they had to make a weapon in that case.
Get on wood
They're not responding.
They walk away, they're like, no.
What?
I requested Kat draw me an abstract version of the butthole and named it the Abysmal Butthole.
Nice. We
Pretty
like you.
nasty.
Oh yeah. He wants to
Did you
wear
model it?
He wants to wear it.
I don't have a toothbrush next to my
There you
butthole,
go.
but
Yeah, picture that on a t-shirt. Picture that.
I can dig it.
What have you painted for us here?
I painted my personality,
Oh
which
yeah?
is apparently a rock,
Wow.
and some more rocks, and then rocks that are underwater.
Oh man, I see it. I see it. I feel it.
It's actually right here, but we don't need to look at it.
Oh, this really happened? Is this rock right here? It's
like that. See
Oh my god. It really happened. It was based on a true story. And Kat, explain yourself.
I painted the mountain.
Is this a real mountain? Oh my god. It's true. It's all true. It's like the... Wait, let me get this. Yeah. Holy shite. Sparklies on the water.
I'll skip it and then it won't skip.
This is supposed to be 60 seconds.
Mine's quick.
60-second tent. You're supposed to be able to put it up in a minute.
So, yeah.
Alright, now we want to lift all of them up.
You might be successful, honestly.
Okay, hold on.
Back, where is there? Let me look.
So what does the night have in store for us? What do you think?
Hopefully good sleep. We moved it so it's softer. Maybe a axe murderer might be
Maybe a
Nick.
mass murder.
Yeah. Or a good prank where we'll put the tent on the water halfway through the night.
That's
I'm
classic.
gonna have the tent on the water halfway through the night. But look at Nick, he thinks he's a Boy Scout or something. Try hard. Bye. Get a shot of this.
Wow. Yet another train. Everyone went off down this path. I don't know if I'll find them because they're probably out in the bushiness. Be very, very quiet. Damn, are those our people? I think I found them. They're gonna get ran over by trains. I don't know if I can get through all that to get over there. Should we try? Maybe, just maybe. Let's do it. I feel so short. This is my view right now. It's nothingness, you can't even see. I'm in a spider web too. Life sucks, fam. I'm falling all over the place. Oh, I just landed in all the mud ever. Water seeping through the shoes. Press onward. Press onward. I'm stuck. I'm stuck in trees. But I'm so close yet so far away. Oh my god, I made it to a clearing. It's very marshy and mushy and grossy. But look at this. Oh. Oh. Bro, that's quite wet. They're probably back by now. What the fuck am I doing with my whole life? I made it through the wilderness. Now I gotta climb up. Somehow I made it through. I made it. I think a train's probably gonna go by in a few here and kill me. The view's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. Come on, my weathered feet. Look it, I found them. I'm not gonna die today. Look it. They look like they're following the yellow brick road or something. This is beautiful.
You missed quite the adventure. Man, don't call it an adventure.
What happened? Wait,
Got ran over by a train.
wait, what did you guys do? I missed this.
We booked it.
Train coming.
Fastest I've ever done.
I mean, I saw it coming, but like, where did you guys?
We were down the other way by the really sharp turn.
Yeah, we were stuck in between like two big rocky hills.
Nice.
Yeah, we had to book it.
So we
Holy
started.
shit.
Maybe about 20-30 feet. And then we went and hid behind this rock.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it was scary. We were just like, minding our own business. And this like really high-pitched noise started, I don't know, going on. And I couldn't tell if it was just my ears ringing or what. What's that noise? And then
That's
his
death.
eyes got big and we just ran.
Great. That's great.
Afterwards I was like, damn, I should have like videotaped this running, but I was too afraid for my life, so.
Yeah. That's really sketchy, and I'm glad that I wasn't out there. But it's a cool story to hear from you guys. Kids don't do this at home. Where did I come from? Hell if I know. I just walked through, probably over there.
You're gonna die in what?
I walked through the marsh. I'm on candid camera.
Oh, why? I'm trying to do.
Kyle, that's what I did the entire time.
That's okay.
I was crying.
Except for you're crying because nobody likes you.
Right?
Shit. When the relationships and no go.
Catch you someday.
Get them bears first.
No. Anyway.
Fuck these fools. Sweet. Give it the Nick.
I just last night.
Yeah.
It was cold where
Last time I cooked it, that shit was hot. If you try to slide the grate at all, if you're gonna move the cast iron.
No, not slide the grate.
Wait. I can't.
We have to build another fire. It's not gonna be able to heat the next game.
Alright, we're playing that game.
I think he's saying it, so I think he knows what he's doing.
That's all I got. There you go. And then, and there's a...
Squash back.
Need some help? It's kind of rotten. It's like,
It was worth the wait.
there you go. Jesus.
Not using this so I can cook it.
There's chocolate in the middle of this marshmallow.
I like that.
Oh, the fire died.
Jesus! It's going down.
I'm yelling. Oh shit. Hook a brother up. Yeah.
A nice fire.
Wow.
It was nice.
Damn.
This is one of my favorite songs of the show.
I like the lighting.
It's perfect.
And you stick it.
Everybody's faces are
I need to stick.
golden.
My leg's burning.
Give me the stick.
Yo, before you eat that, I need a
I do
picture of
have
it.
to say, when you flame it,
Well, I mean,
really
put the
gooey.
top on
It's nice.
first. Yeah.
When you flame it,
Let's see it squish.
it makes it nice and gooey really quickly.
I can just make it
It's the most perfect s'more.
Yeah.
Why you think it's gooey is because it's crispy.
Is it as delicious as it looks?
The
Oh
inside's
my
like
God.
sticking to my fucking mouth everywhere. I know it's gooey.
They get to the fire.
They're trying to make plank.
I forget.
Wow, Ryan, I feel like you're
And
showing
now
me a
he's
whole
burning
new
up
world.
and dying.
No!
He was so young.
He's going to hell.
No!
He's like, I'll meet you there, brothers.
I think his hand is doing.
Anna, you're making me a fucking marshmallow? At that range, you're gonna make me one.
I'm fine.
So, it's about 10:30. I know it doesn't look dark enough to be 10:30, but this is Alaska. Overall, this is probably gonna be the end. We're just making s'mores and we'll probably sing along to some Broadway musicals. Wanted to share with you, my mom sent me this text just now. And she said, I hope the prison escapee with the hook for a hand and a club left foot carrying a machete isn't in the dark, foggy woods near you guys. Oh well, nice knowing you. So hopefully we survive tonight. It is one rainy ass gray morning. A lot of people woke up in puddles. Ryan is literally hiding in his car, listening to the new Green Day single. His shoes are soaked. Zoop! Look at the hustle and bustle. Some people are packing up, some people are still passed out. Yeah. Look, there's Jareth. He was there too. They're emerging.
Go, like, just grab my shoes on the other side of the town.
Your shoes are over there?
Yeah,
Alright.
like, on this side, just under.
Let's find his shoes. Oh no! Somebody's shoes are fucked! Oh, they're not that bad. Could be worse.
Thank
There you
you.
go.
Don't step on the mat. You're just gonna get squished.
I think I started my period last night.
No,
And I
not
had
that
cramps
bad.
all night, so wouldn't give it a 10 out of 10. Not this time.
This miss me take off your shirt.
I did not. I didn't want it.
Oh, you guys are.
There's a lot of bugs too. The rain doesn't faze them at all. They're tougher than I. There will be no fire today, obviously. Luckily, we are transferring to a cabin now. I was really hoping that walking out here in the rain would be like a little shower slash washing. It's not. It's cold and miserable. I can feel blood gushing out of places. I can't put my shoes on fully because they're too wet. The camping experience. The tent may have gotten a little soaked during the night.
Just a little bit.
Ew.
Oh.
That's Life is full of disappointments. It's a little wet. Kyle's wearing bags and his socks.
Open the sunroof.
No. First stop on our list is the gas station so we can use a proper restroom. And then we're gonna get hot coffee because we only bought cold coffee. Ha! And probably get some baked goods for breakfast.
Here, try this. I'll get it. Good job.
Nutella.
You got the Nutella?
I got the Nutella.
Oh, you
I
did.
got almonds.
We haven't ordered yet.
Nutella latte. Interesting. Does it actually taste like Nutella?
It does.
Really?
You can see the Nutella on there.
Where's
You want
there
to
it is. Dun, dun,
You want to try it?
Chocolate?
Thank you.
Have a good day. Also, where the peanuts.
That was well needed after the shitty morning.
Welcome back. Couldn't stay away too
Jeffo
long.
came back to crash the
Get the
party.
dribble in there.
So now we're at Bird Creek, staying in a cabin because it's rainy as hell. I had quite the morning. You know, a lot of people go camping. Everyone goes camping, but not everybody goes camping and starts their period whilst camping in a tent and bleeds everywhere, straight through their multiple layers of clothes. So I had the classy experience of changing like all my clothes in like the giant handicap stall at the gas station. This is what dreams are made of. There was a line of people also waiting to use the bathroom, so there's no privacy. It's been quite the morning, fellas. And there we go. Not bad at all. Very cute. No vaping.
Does it work? Okay,
Breakfast with chips.
probably the best idea I've ever had. Just rent a cabin, $7 each.
This is
Fantastic.
why don't we do this every camping trip?
Why didn't we think of this before?
I'll tell you after, okay? I'll
see you after.
Jesus.
I forgot about that.
I don't.
Damn. I wanted to build the hype train.
Build it to Anna.
Fuck!
That was fun. She is fucking Uno too, guys. Why are you picking on me?
Because you called it first.
Get closer. Like,
your name's
well,
Hannah.
actually, she is
Because
right
your
now.
name's Hannah.
So what was the problem there with you?
Half our deck's gone by the first 30 seconds.
Ooh, you suck, Nick.
Ooh. Is he gonna plus 2 again? No.
Damn you shit.
Plus 2.
Swear to God.
Plus 2. Plus 4.
I will haunt you. Dude, are you kidding me?
Okay, well, I don't think you have to worry about that. Ah,
Jesus.
So you better reverse it.
I know, I was gonna say, but like, I'm gonna get screwed here. Kyle. Oh, Hannah?
I went!
I didn't know.
Yeah.
It's like alone in my room, in the dark, just messing around.
Dude, I sat in my car for like 2 hours once when I first got my butterfly mat.
This like festival up and down the walls.
Brian. There was a couple of times when it like flung out of my hand. Brian's not winning anytime soon.
Hey, you guys should really reverse it away from over there, though.
Yes! Nick, our savior.
Brandon's smiling.
Are you sure?
Smiling.
Say Nick,
Brandon
no!
is smiling, you guys.
Danny coming in clutch.
Oh, Brett. Shit.
God damn it. No. Wilding out. Go for it. Oh, fuck.
So that Uno game went on for about an hour. That was insane. We're headed home, sort of. We're only like 20 minutes out of town, so ow. Not as good as at walking in my bare feet as I used to be. But yeah, we're headed home because I bled through all my clothes and because everyone is like soaked. I want to get some new shoes or socks or whatever. And then we're headed back. So went home, showered really quickly. I smell good now. I'm in completely new clothes. We picked up a card game and some tea, and we're picking up a stove right now. I'd say it all ended pretty well. There's our stove. Yep. We're headed back to the cabin now, and nobody is smelly and miserable anymore. I'm in a good mood now.
Spearhead this a bit more.
Yeah.
Here, hold this.
You want my knife back?
I'll hold it.
Got my energy drink. We've made it back. There's people inside doing puzzles and the rest of us getting some hot dogs.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
I want to pick one too, or
the
one
one
of
out.
these, or those. I'm gonna do my bun after
No,
this.
I
I'm
was
gonna
gonna
toast
say-
the bun.
Because we have the cheese. That's good for me.
Yeah, I love cheese on my own.
Cheese.
Why?
Heck.
School projects.
Sure.
Do you want a hot dog, Allie?
Don't you like raw wings?
I
Anybody else need
commissioned
anything?
Hannah
I
to
got
make
some
me a
over
weenie.
Anything?
Mmm, that's gorgeous.
Wow.
Look, I think I can get it without disturbing you. Oh, I thought you did that to hot dog, and I was like,
Oh, yes,
Don't even-
so
Don't even,
sexual. Looks like a vampire got to it. Thank
you
you,
go.
Hannah.
You're welcome.
Wow. She handled my wiener and she handled it well.
not that skilled.
Look at all that cheese that's gone to waste, boy.
You better eat that off the ground.
You know who's not going to waste it? A bear or a bird?
Invite the bear.
Bear.
Or a bird.
Bear.
Great.
He's with us in a cabin in the middle of the woods when we're eating a bear. I change of heart.
I really don't think so, but...
Are you ready?
Hannah, get the cheese ready.
Okay, okay. Hold on. We're dogging.
Gross stuff we plug in.
It's a sausage.
Squeeze it. Pinch my wiener with my buns.
Oh, don't touch me. Okay.
Tell me how it is.
You. Wow, you don't like old school style? Jesus.
Stick of wonder, huh?
That's a nice weenie.
That's so fucking hot.
Oh, damn.
Steaming out of your mouth.
Everything inside the coffee cup. It only went like halfway through the lid. Like, even cardboard, it's not too good going through. It's not strong. Obviously, stop it, but it would hurt a lot.
Yeah, that's so pointy.
It's not even very sharp. I had to sharpen myself on one side, the side you're feeling. That side's sharper than the other side.
I would say forever.
So the four of us have been up in the loft talking about some weird stuff. We're talking about like mental illness and zombie apocalypses.
I'll close it for you.
Where did everyone else go? To the beach?
Yeah, they went to the beach. Yeah.
They went to the beach. But we're here making tea and talking about random stuff. It's pretty nice. Nice little bonding moment with us four creeps. Fit camera.
Smell it.
I know what it smells like. Youthberry.
Brandon, which
Or no, wait, which one was that? Okay.
I think I'm gonna need somebody else up here actually to do this. I'm gonna go stick this penny on the.
Need more water.
We totally killed that thing.
Awesome cabin. These are cute.
It is Colony House.
All my batteries are dying, so this is probably going to be the end of this video. We've got puzzles and lanterns and card games, and we've got our tea, and it's been a great trip, and we'll see you next time.